Hey guys, it's me, Vintage Breeze, etc. back with another ceiling fan video. I apologize if the fan that you were hearing in the background is too loud. But since this is a garage, it needs to be well ventilated when someone's in here. But anyway, here is this 52-inch Hunter Allandale ceiling fan. I got this for free on Facebook Marketplace about 2 months ago. And it is installed on our attic access door framing, since that's really the only wood beams that are exposed in this garage. But yeah, the only thing that's not original is the mounting bracket and the canopy that came off of Hampton Bay Rocksley that used to be in my room. And there is our first fail. But since this video has gone so well, besides this part, we're just gonna keep going. But of course, I'm gonna have to fix this. Hang on. Sorry about that. Here's the light on. On, off, now low speed. Thought I pulled it wrong. It only has two bulbs in it because one came with it and the other one's just one I had lying around. My only other candelabras are nightlight bulbs, and that's not going to be helpful in a garage, so thought I'd save those aside. Low speed is almost doing nothing at all. And for a Hunter, you can expect it to be very slow. I don't feel anything at all from this, and this fan is too basic to have this be aesthetic. But call it what you want. These are mainstays poles, by the way. Here's medium. Apologies. The unfortunate thing about it is this is probably the highest speed of most Hunters sold today. I know my grandma's Studio series goes this fast, and not the old Studio series, the new one that kind of looks like this. Goes about this speed on high, maybe just a little bit faster, but luckily this one operates a little bit better. Here is high. And some of you may remember the Carmen that was in here. It was right there. But that was too ghetto and dangerous, so... Well, I mean, it wasn't really dangerous, but the way the fan moved scared everybody in my family, so took it down. Light on. Light off. Alright, well, first fan video in a while. I'll see you guys in the more upcoming videos.